welcome back to the vlog. What was I gonna say? Today's gonna be a really chill day, I'm not gonna lie. It's like almost 6 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm just starting the vlog because I was supposed to take the camera with me to work so I could, you know, vlog some of that, and it didn't happen. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but I got a little surprise. Show you guys a surprise. Pardon this mess. You'll understand in a minute. We just got home, so these are bags. But come here. Come here. This is a surprise. We got a kitty. His name's Simba. Say hi. Say hi, Simba. No, I don't know if you guys can hear him purring, but he's purring. Say hi. Can you guys tell why his name is Simba? Jake is saying hi in the background. Look at this little cuddly baby. He is such a spoiled brat. We just got him 2 days ago, and this is his favorite thing to do. And he's purring really loud. I'll try to capture him purring and see if you guys can hear it. Oh, Jake is playing, so it's over. I have a really long to-do list, so this is kind of going to be a real what I do when I get home. Oh, and I got a new job too, guys. So I'm doing something a little bit less top secret, even though it wasn't really super top secret. But where are you going? Oh, you want me to hold you like this? Okay. Look at him. Look at him. You gotta come up here. I know. I'm holding you, don't worry. He is purring so hard. Anyway, I'm doing something a little bit less top secret, and I get out a lot earlier, and I'm able to do just so much more. So, yeah. Oh, he's trying to play with my hair. Stop biting my hair. So let me start on my to-do list, or at least get it, so I can tell you guys some of the lovely things I'll be doing. But we literally just walked in the door and I decided to grab my vlog camera and get started with you guys. Also, if you're not subscribed already, oh, thank you. If you're not subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell or notification icon, whatever, just to make sure that you are getting my notifications and that you keep up with our randomness, because this year I feel it in my bones. You feel it in your bones? It's gonna be our year. I'm talking to Jake, by the way. Can you stop? What is he doing? Look at him. I think he is either trying to lick himself or rip off the bell on his collar. Jake, he ripped off his name tag. Did you see it?
I saw it.
Last night he ripped off his name tag. So, all right, let me get to work. Also, we got to be a little bit gentle because I did adopt him, and he's very recently, like 4 days ago, got surgery. So we got to be very careful with his belly. But this is him all the time. Let me back up so you guys can see him. Always laying on me and nibbling on me and licking me. He can't stop licking me. He loves mama. He keeps licking me, puppy. You want to hold him?
Yeah.
Okay. He thinks I'm a cat, I think. Alright, guys. Let me get this list. Here. Oh, it's your baby. Hold him right, baby. He's scared. Oh, there he goes.
He's holding my face.
Okay. Alright, guys. Let's do this. So, my to-do list. It's pretty long. I have to pick up the vlogging camera. Check. Then I have to do the dishes because I forgot to do it last night. I have to cook, so you guys will see that too. Paint my nails because, yeah, my nails look super hurt. I took off my acrylics and my nails look so hurt. I gotta do something with them. And I work with my hands a lot, so yeah. You see him? Look at him.
Oh.
Loving Jake. Also, I need to film my BoxyCharm video. I just got my BoxyCharm this weekend, but I was super busy all weekend and I kept forgetting my vlogging camera, so I didn't get to film that for you guys. But you know, the lighting is probably horrible here. Maybe I need to turn this a little bit.
Oh, mommy.
Yeah, come this way, baby. Oh. P.S. Yes, his claws are out, but he's not hurting Jake. His claws are cut, so they don't hurt. He just kind of like needs you. needs like, not needs you, but like needs like bread. Anyway, so I have to do that. I have to set up my planner for this week. That was one of my New Year's resolutions, and so far have failed miserably. Today that stops. I need to edit and possibly post a BoxyCharm video, because you know you gotta be on it on YouTube. I need to clean up Harry's cage. Harry's my bunny, in case you guys didn't know. I need to feed both him and Simba. I need to work on some back end stuff that I'm doing, and then I kind of want to film a new intro, like put together an intro, so I need to plan for that. If you guys have any ideas of what I should do for my intro, put it down in the comments below. Then I want to do a face mask and chill. Yes, I put chill on here because I forget to have time for myself all the time.
You didn't say no.
So, what? The stuff with you? Oh, I didn't want to put that in there, but I have something I need to do with Jake on here too. You guys will see all of that right now. Oh, let me go wash my hands so I could like get to work in this kitchen. So I gotta get this kitchen done. It's really not that bad. I mean, it is though. You see these dishes? I gotta do them. It's way too many, but it's really not. It's just this is sitting on like cups and shit. So let me take care of that really quick, and then maybe I should season the chicken first. Yeah, let me season my meat, take care of this, and then get to cooking. I think that'll be a more productive way of handling it. So this is how you know I'm done doing the dishes. Like, I have to wipe everything down and then kind of like put the water. Also, I don't know if you guys can see, but I like to wash my dishes with hot water because I just feel like it gets them cleaner. So now while the chicken is, you know, seasoned up and getting seasoned up, I'm about to be on litter duty. I'm about to clean both the cat litter and my rabbit's litter box because I don't like my house to smell like animals, but I love animals, so I gotta keep it clean. Meanwhile, instead of helping me, look at him chilling on his iPad. Jake, for real?
Hi.
Hi. Why are you not cleaning up the cat litter? Alright, let me get this done. Oh, also, I bought these for the cat because I didn't know which ones he was gonna like. So I kind of wanted to experiment. I think I told you guys I painted that at Painting with a Twist. Anyway, so I bought this. This is the Seafood Favorites. This one has salmon, tuna, or white ocean, or ocean whitefish and tuna. All of these are in gravy. And then I got this one too. And this one is chicken, turkey and giblets, and beef and chicken and gravy. Just to kind of see what he reacts to better, because we did just get him on Saturday. Again, something I probably should have vlogged for you guys, but I don't know, my mind's been everywhere lately. But I just wanted to kind of see what he's going to be into and what he's going to like before I buy huge bulk purchases. And then treats too. I got him a bunch of different treats. I got him, all of them are Temptations. These are chicken, what is this? Catnip, beef flavor, and this was mix-ups. This has tuna, shrimp, and salmon flavors. So, yeah. Okay, let me clean up this litter. Also, he was really trying his best to be clean, but you can see he spilled it all over the floor. So, if you guys have any recommendations or thoughts or anything like that that I should do to take care of this kitty, let me know, because I am a kitty newbie. I've never had a cat before. As a matter of fact, I never really was a cat person. I'm more of a dog person, but he is for sure changing my mind because he's so loving. I love my baby so much. Okay, let me get this, because if I keep talking, I'm never gonna get any of my list done. I'm cooking, so that's why my hair is like kind of picked up. I'm just making rice and chicken and maybe some green beans or something, but I'm just adding a couple of like last minute seasonings to my chicken, and now I'm about to get right into cooking it. So I'll show you guys in a bit. I'm making chicken. I'm making it in 2 pans because I can't find my really huge one. Then I'm making veggies in the back, and I'm making rice over there. Yes, ignore my mess. I still gotta clean that up. But it's gonna be so good. So I transferred it all into one pot now, just because I only wanted it like, you know, dándole color, like for it to get color. And look at how good it looks. Now I'm about to make the sauce so we can have, I guess what you would call gravy, but it's just really sauce to go over the rice because I'm not making beans today. I definitely forgot to show you guys before I started eating, but I was hungry, but it came out so good. It's good? All right.